Hey y'all, it's day 2 and we will be getting into acrylic application today. So of course my nails are already prepped, my tips are applied. I just want to make sure everything is nice and clean before I get into this acrylic. Now before applying your acrylic, you need to make sure that you have a dehydrator and a protein bond on hand, baby girl. I like the Young Nails protein bond. That's this one right here. You can get it on the site or Amazon. I got these from Amazon. This is the Carlash dehydrator and bonder, and of course Mia Secret, my go-to. But normally I use the Carlash dehydrator and then the Young Nails protein bond together on my sets. So once that's applied on your client, you're gonna go ahead, grab your acrylic powder of choice. When beginning out, I do recommend that you do work with a number 10 or 12 brush. I worked with a number 10. I'll be using a number 12 today, but beginners, I do recommend a number 10. Watch money stack, don't watch no cable. She twerk on tables, but she ain't basic. She bought her paper, true money making. 4 pockets full, I feel like baby. 4 pockets full. Once you've dipped your brush in your monomer, you're going to lightly tap it, just like you saw me do 2 times, and then lay your bead.
Once you have your bead laid, you're just going to go ahead, use the tip of your brush, and drag that acrylic down the nail. Be sure to keep the acrylic on the nail. You don't want it spilling all over the place.
I've been at the bottom before, I know how I feel, but now I'm on top of the ladder. No money problems no more. We do what we want, we live in lavish, and shawty ain't basic. She bought her fat, sip syrup, no maple. Watch money stack, don't watch no cable. She twerk on tables, but she ain't basic. She bought her paper, true money making. 4 pockets full, I feel like baby. 4 pockets full, I'm feeling magic. I put some spice in her like shawty Cajun. Roll up the runs, I can't match, I just face it.
Another important thing is just to make sure that you have the right consistency of bead too. You see here, the bead that I just applied was a little bit drier, but as a nail tech, your job is to adapt, girl. So if it's dry, if it's wet, you gotta make sure that you can fix it and move around. Keep moving with acrylic, that's what I recommend. Keep moving. Last bead that I am going to put on is my cuticle bead. Now this is important because, girl, you better not put that acrylic on their skin so it can spill all over the place and be looking a mess and they not book with you no more. You want to be sure that you put your cuticle bead literally like a milli-inch under the cuticle and walk your bead up to the top of the nail. Trust me, it works. Now for the rest of this, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me work. I've pretty much explained my process, so yeah, watch me lay some acrylic.
Still waiting when you want it, got to keep me on chill. Don't you miss me, I'll kick it with my new bitch. I still hang around, even though you can't cap. I can pretend my main nigga, bet you love just how that feel. I'm on my way, when I'm pocket neatly vision. Can't trust decision when you near me, get much caught in your crossfire. You want one, and I'm waiting in you like it's cool. I did like it's cool when you put a boot down when I know when it's not me. All that I know is mirrors inside me, they recognize you. So please don't deny me. Different, so different, hit it different. When you're different, it's different when you're different, when you're different, when you're different, when you're sitting there all by myself. Different when you think you might be with somebody else. Different, different, oh different, it's different, different when you're different, different when you. Whoa. was holding me. Choose your wise, would world break up in front of me? All the while, I'll wave my arm, I feel with a smile. Still wanna try, still believing. Good days, always ugly inside. Good at living in my mind. Sunny inside is good at living in my mind. Tell me I'm not my fears, my limitations are disappear. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Got it on my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, play the devil way to kill the mood. Know you like that shit, can't groove it, I'll lose it, baby. Now I'm tryna read a nuisance, this is urgent. Tryna make sense of loose change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, awake, it was holding me. Choose your wise, what will break up in front of me? All the while, I'll wave my arm, I feel with a smile. Still wanna try, still believing. Good days, always lonely inside. Good at living in my mind. Lonely inside is.
So here is my finished product. Just laid acrylic, no filing, no drilling, no noting. Come back for my third video if you do want to see how I do get these girls filed and ready. Bye y'all.